Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will show you on how to use the backpack in Scratch. The backpack is a feature only in the online version of Scratch and is used to take sprites, backdrops, costumes, sounds and even pieces of code and put them into your own projects. Over here I have opened someone's project and I'd like to use that music. Let's look into the project and go to sounds. It doesn't appear to be here. Let's look into the stage. We found it. Let's open the backpack and drag the sound into the backpack. Now close the backpack and go back to your project. Go to sounds, open your backpack and drag the sound into your project. Voila! We've got the music. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.